Let's make a deposit to our Exness Bitcoin wallet. To begin, log into your personal area and make sure it's fully verified. Click Deposit, then choose Bitcoin. Next, either click Copy or scan the QR code with your smartphone to get the Bitcoin address displayed. You can also manually enter the Bitcoin address in your Bitcoin wallet app to continue. Next, use your Bitcoin wallet app to input the Bitcoin address, deposit amount, and miner fee. You can deposit as much as you need, as we do not have minimum deposit requirements. To make the confirmation process faster, we recommend you use the maximum required commission. Please note that we do not compensate for miner fees. Double-check your details, then click Send to complete the transaction. The funds will reflect in your Exness Bitcoin wallet when the transaction is confirmed. This usually takes around an hour, and you can always check the process in your Bitcoin wallet app. To use Bitcoin to trade, you will need to transfer funds from your Exness Bitcoin wallet to your trading account. To do this, click on the trading account in My Accounts and choose Transfer. Your Exness Bitcoin wallet should be chosen as the From option, and the account you want to transfer to as the To option. Keep in mind, the minimum amount allowed for internal transfers is $1 when entering the total amount. Click Transfer to continue. Confirm the transaction with the verification code sent to you either by email or SMS, depending on your security type. Finally, click Confirm Withdrawal to complete the transfer. Now you can use funds from that trading account as desired. That's it. Now you know how to deposit Bitcoin. Thank you for choosing Exness.